Here we go again. Another day, another fish. Look at that one. Look at this one. Ooh, look at that. Look at that one, baby.
Holy Low 209. Hogan Lake. 2011. Maxed out again.
Maxed out again, baby.
Sounds too easy. Looks easy.
This
It
is
is easy.
Jack.
It was easy.
Hella easy.
George Lowe.
Man.
George Lowe.
This is the Botai show.
Murphy.
Anchovies.
Dang.
That's a secret bait right there. Anchovies.
And Waxworm.
That's
Y'all
Sue.
can get that at any local gas station at New Hogan Lake.
Look.
It's on page 117. Yeah. Bam.
Damn, all these fish is like fucking wasting up all my videos. Man.
Max out again. Max out again.
Ooh, look at this.
How many fish?
You guys could count it for me. Look. Count it.
Alright, man.
Look at it.
This, oh, Jack, you doing that then?
Woo.
You doing that?
Good day of fishing.
We came one trip last year. We caught like
Good day fishing.
15.
Look at that one. Woo.
That's a good ass action.
That was also all bait.
That's it. About to clean some fish again. Do it again another night.
Yep.
You gotta talk about doing